we have estimated that political uncertainty could subtract around half a point this year and more than a percentage point of growth next year. Miguel Cardoso from BBVA. Spain released a flurry of economic data today, with its business confidence for March now at minus 1.9. What is your assessment of today's indicators?
In general, they are following a trend, which is that we are still seeing strong economic growth. It's true that confidence went down, but if you take a look at pre-crisis levels, today's numbers is still above the average of those pre-crisis years. So still, when you take a look at retail sales, when you take a look at employment data, when you take a look at all a series of indicators, we are still probably seeing an economy that is growing at 0.8% over the first quarter. So that's an annualized growth rate of around 3%, and that's obviously pretty strong given the current global environment.
Spain's political stalemate continues to rumble on a full 3 months since the December elections. Just how sizable are the economic implications to date?
Well, the data doesn't show any strong impact. It is true that uncertainty has increased, but for the most part, economic data is not showing any of that. Probably there is a series of things that are behind this, like the more expansionary monetary policy by the ECB, like a more expansionary fiscal policy, like given the release that we had today of the fiscal deficit of the government. Those two things, along with low oil prices, could be behind the fact that we're not seeing much of an impact on economic activity from that higher uncertainty.
Okay, and what are likely to be the long-term economic effects of this political uncertainty on the economy?
Well, what we have seen and what we have calculated is that obviously this kind of episodes of high uncertainty, of decreasing confidence, if they continue over the next 6 months, the impact on economic activity could be significant. In fact, what we have estimated is that this could subtract from economic growth around half a point this year and more than a percentage point of growth next year. So even though we don't have still evidence that this is affecting economic growth, if it continues, if political uncertainty remains, then we could begin to see the effects over the next couple of months.
Thank you, Miguel. Be sure to check back with the Dukascopy TV team for more updates throughout the week. See you next time.